there's a big cultural change that is now happening. And that's really around the convergence between two worlds. Now, as organizations have taken this journey from very manual processes to using early IT support to starting to use digital tools, you can really take that kind of journey while still having a very siloed and quite outdated approach to how you think about technology. And historically, this is how most organizations work, and many still work this way, where there were fundamentally two big silos of technology kind of implementation and technology thinking. One was all about how do we build systems to make work easy for people, right? And whether that's might be ERP or CRM implementation, or it might be implementation of a modern automation tool. These people are about building solutions that help people get work done on an execution level. And then there's another one, which is all about how do we build systems that give us insight about how our business is working, right? So historically, these were hugely separate things. You had one group fundamentally focusing on application development and integration, and another group focusing on analytics, business intelligence, management information systems. And they really didn't talk very much at all. But as we start to get beyond this green part of the journey and into the use of true intelligence, that does something really profound to the way an organization has to think and work. And so it is a journey, because what it's about is about integrating and converging this automation piece and the intelligence piece, okay? And that takes automation from being quite a programmatic, rigid thing to being something where we can drive it with a lot of intelligence. We can drive it very flexibly based on conditions right now, right in the moment. And it also takes intelligence from being something very passive and often quite kind of backward looking in terms of here's how much we sold last quarter, to something that is very much in the moment and is active. It's driving predictions and recommendations right in the flow of work, right in the flow of decision making. So we're talking about a convergence between two parts of a technology organization, which have historically been very separate.